Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Digital Scholar. Today we're going to learn how to add and shuffle the classes. After login, click on the Odo School. Then click on Students. In the student, there is a search bar on the top right corner. Start writing the roll numbers, the GR numbers over there one by one. The list will be start showing underneath it, and keep on writing the roll number, that is your GR number of the student in the search bar, and that's GR number will be coming down. If there is no display of the data as you write the GR number, that means that student is not in the list or yet not registered on the Odo. So in this manner, you can keep on writing all the GR numbers of one class as you can see, or you can write 10 at one time, or you can write all the 20 or 25 GR numbers at once on the search bar and press enter. Every time you just press enter, the number underneath it in the screen you can see it will change. That show the number is there. If there is no counter change, then that means that the last GR number is not there. So keep on writing as I am writing in the search bar the GR numbers of the student, and the counter underneath in the center you will see that it will keep on changing. So I have write so far 12 to 13 GR numbers in the search bar, and keep on pressing the enter key button to make it search in the system. So here it is once again. I'm keep on doing this. Once I was done writing my GR numbers onto the search bar, then I will going to check where are these numbers. Then I click on each underneath it, and shows display all the students that have been selected or searched from the system. You just check, recheck the GR number so that these GR numbers are available on the Odo system. So once the GR is confirmed that these are the GR number that is list class list provided to you, as I am doing advanced Montessori daisies. So once we have done and checked, so what you are going to do, you won't have to display all the student and click on the top right button. There is a top checkbox, and then select action, and from the action select bulk student transfer, and the screen will display, and then you can see you can change the options of the new session, that is 25-26. Remember to search more and click on the 25-26 session, section, grade level, grade, section, daisy 25-26. Then select your campus, then select the session, and click on the change data. This data will be going to change into the provided data. The student will be transferred into provided data. To check it, click on the button, and there will be the list of student underneath the heading of the daisies 2024 or the section or you have mentioned. Hope so you understand. Thank you very much.